To take that step and to make that decision, I will never regret that. Moving has always been a part of my life. Every step you take drives you forward. It leads to new ideas, new perspectives, and personal development. I want to learn to improve myself, to give my very best, while always being on the move. My wish to take that next step has led me here, to HTW Dresden. Everything is just right here. You study in a practice-oriented learning environment, using innovative technologies and state-of-the-art facilities, without paying tuition fees, right in the center of the attractive city of Dresden. It's a place that is so full of life and cultural experiences. It offers modern and affordable student dorms so close to the campus. Study programs in the fields of engineering, environment, economics, and design prepare you optimally for your start into your career. You benefit from the individual mentoring by professors and teaching staff. The HTW Dresden is the place where your creative ideas become innovative business models. Networks and cooperations connect us here and all over the world. These are our strengths. We are creators who learn, not just for ourselves, but for the future we hope to design. This way, we continue to progress. We understand that sometimes you just have to push through to find your limits and to overcome them. So, we encourage you to take that step and begin your studies at the HTW Dresden.